Welcome back, cruisers. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're stepping on board one of the most beloved classic ships in the entire Disney Cruise Line fleet, the Disney Wonder. Choosing the right home base for your voyage can make or break your vacation experience. Whether you're planning on a bucket list sailing to the glaciers of Alaska, like I did on my very first Disney cruise sailing, or a tropical getaway, the Disney Wonder has an incredible lineup of staterooms and suites designed specifically with families in mind. Today we're doing a complete rapid-fire overview of every single category of stateroom and suite on board to help you lock in the perfect match for your cruise crew. Before booking, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down in the description. When you book your Disney cruise with the Vacationeer, we can secure up to $1,000 in exclusive onboard credit to spend on specialty dining, spa treatments, shore excursions, and much more. This is an exclusive value you won't find anywhere else. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the rooms. Standard inside staterooms coming in at 184 square feet. These Covey windowless sanctuaries sleep up to 4 guests. They feature a queen-size bed, a single sleeper sofa, and a pull-down upper berth. It's the ultimate value option to get you on board the ship. The deluxe inside stateroom upgrades the space up to 214 square feet. It features the exact same layout and capacity as the standard inside, but adds that highly coveted split bathroom configuration, giving you a toilet and sink in one room and a shower and a sink in the other. The deluxe ocean view stateroom offers the exact same 214 square foot interior and split bath as the deluxe inside, but breaks down the walls to feature either one large or 2 small porthole windows for natural light and gorgeous horizon views. Up into the veranda categories, we have the deluxe ocean view stateroom with Navigator's Veranda. This introduces your private balcony. At 268 square feet total, the Navigator's Veranda is uniquely enclosed with a large open-air porthole cut right out of the ship's superstructure, perfect for blocking heavy winds while still enjoying the sea breeze. Next up is the deluxe ocean view stateroom with Veranda. This features the exact same interior space as the Navigator's Veranda, but opens up completely to a traditional full open air acrylic wall veranda. Now, if you need to maximize the room and upgrade up to 5 guests, check out the deluxe family ocean view stateroom with Veranda. The layout bumps you up to a spacious 304 square feet, and it expands the living space and comfortably sleeps up to 5 guests by utilizing an extra pull-down wall bed. Now, if you want to experience the pinnacle of luxury, premium bedding, and personalized service at sea, you'll want to step up to Disney's legendary Concierge tier. First up, we have the Concierge Family Ocean View Stateroom with Veranda. This matches the 304 square foot layout of the deluxe family room, but it infuses it with high-end Art Deco furnishings and unlocks full access to the dedicated onboard concierge lounge, private sun deck, and pre-arrival booking privileges. The Concierge one-bedroom suite with Veranda is a sprawling 614 square feet. This elegant suite sleeps up to 5 guests, and it features a completely separate master bedroom with a queen bed, a massive living room area with a sleeper sofa, a dining table, walk-in closets, and 2 full bathrooms, including a whirlpool tub. The Concierge 2-bedroom suite with Veranda cranks it up to 945 square feet. This massive footprint sleeps up to 7 guests. It includes a master bedroom, a separate second bedroom with twin beds and a pull-down berth, 2.5 bathrooms, a spacious living room, and an extended private balcony. The absolute crown jewel of the Disney Wonder is the Concierge Royal Suite with Veranda, coming in at a jaw-dropping 1,029 square feet. This opulent suite accommodates up to 7 guests. It features a lavish master bedroom with a king bed, second bedroom, 2.5 marble and granite bathrooms, a private dining salon, a wet bar, media library, and an expansive veranda with unmatched panoramic ocean views. Disney Cruise Line also offers fully accessible layouts across multiple stateroom categories. My father is actually in a power chair himself, and I really appreciate Disney's attention to detail in these accessible categories. This allows me to bring my parents along for all of our family cruises. These staterooms feature wider entry doors, ramped bathroom thresholds, roll-in showers with fold-down bench seating, and lowered closet hanging storage. But here's an elite insider tip. If you book one of the accessible veranda staterooms located at the very back or aft of the ship on decks 6 and 7, you get an absolutely enormous private veranda. Because of how the ship's stern curves, these accessible balconies are vastly oversized compared to a standard cabin. They give you a massive, sweeping private patio to roll around and kick back in the premium lounge chairs while taking in the most dramatic, unobstructed views of the ocean wake. Because we zip through all of the categories so fast, if you want to see exactly what these rooms look like inside before you book, we have full-length video tours of almost every single category on board right here on the channel. Go ahead and check out our dedicated Disney Wonder playlist to find the perfect cabin for your cruise. And don't forget to book your Disney cruise with the Vacationeer for that bonus onboard credit. Now, if you choose to upgrade to any of the concierge level suites, you unlock exclusive access to some of the most premium spaces on the ship, starting with the concierge lounge. The lounge is open all day and late into the night, offering a fantastic lineup of complimentary food options, from fresh light bites for breakfast and afternoon tea to gourmet small snacks and premium bar service in the evening. Inside, you'll have a spacious lounge to relax in, and of course, my favorite espresso machine for your morning caffeine fix. But best of all, you'll have access to the legendary Disney Concierge team, who will be with you every step of the way to make sure you get the most of your cruise experience. Right upstairs, you'll also gain access to the private concierge sun deck. Equipped with plush loungers and premium service, it's the absolute perfect peaceful spot on board for a quiet sunrise coffee or a relaxing evening tea as you sail to your next destination. Whether you choose a cozy inside stateroom or a sprawling multi-room concierge suite, the Disney Wonder truly has a perfect home away from home for every type of traveler. And to get the absolute best value on your next Disney cruise, make sure to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click that booking link down in the description to get started today and grab up to $1,000 in bonus onboard credit. Thank you all so much for watching, and if this breakdown helped you plan your next magical sea voyage, please give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and share it with all your Disney cruise friends. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.